So you've got an exam coming up, a big paper due, or heaven forbid, finals week is upon you, and the stress is real. College is intense. In this video, I am sharing 10 of the best research-backed strategies to lower your stress levels so that you can get back to living your best college life. Number 1, get some snuggles. Now, you might have a person you can snuggle when you're on campus, but mostly what I'm talking about here is furry snuggles. Specifically, find a local animal shelter. There likely is one not too far from your campus, and they are always looking for volunteers to come help with the animals, give them socialization experiences, and guess what? Getting furry snuggles is one of the best stress relievers around. You can't help but smile. Number 2, get social. Do something with others. Laugh, connect, have fun. Now, if you're new on campus and still trying to build that social network, you're not alone. That's fine. Try out some clubs, join a study group, even just hang in common spaces, and you never know who you might connect with. With some time, you will find your people, and you will be able to support one another through the ups and downs that come with college. Number 3, get creative. Now, for some, this might be something traditionally creative, like painting or drawing or playing a musical instrument, but it doesn't have to be that defined. This can be building a sweet Rube Goldberg machine to deliver your snacks while you're playing video games. It can be choreographing a dance to your favorite song with some girlfriends, or even just arranging some rocks or some seashells in a fun design on the beach. Anything that helps you tap into that creative side of your brain can help that buzzing stress response fade a bit. Number 4, get moving. Physical activity is one of the most researched and most effective ways to combat stress. It not only lets our bodies release some of the physical tension that comes with stress, but it also releases feel-good chemicals that help counteract those "I'm stressed" messages from your brain. And a bonus for college students is that physical activity gives your brain a boost. It helps learning and memory. So find something active that you actually enjoy doing so that when that stress comes, you don't have barriers keeping you from actually doing it. Number 5, get the beat. Find some music and let it take you away. Whether it's soft, calming music or energy-infused hip-hop, find music that captures your attention and helps you get into a more positive, adaptive headspace than the one that our stress-muddled brain often tries to stick us with. Even a single song can help us get enough space from our stress to get a better perspective on our situation. And even better is if that beat gets you moving, you can double up your stress benefits with number 4, that physical activity. Number 6, get outside. Sunshine and fresh air is so effective at helping us reset our stress meter. But even if it's cloudy or rainy or snowy, any outside time is a benefit. Getting outside does wonders for helping us take a breath and regroup in the midst of college deadlines and grade pressures. And again, since getting outside often involves physical activity of some sort, you can double up on those stress-busting benefits. Number 7, get quiet. As great as friends and music and getting active can be, sometimes the most effective thing to do in a moment of stress is get quiet. Find a space where you can be alone, turn off all of those screens and devices, and breathe. Maybe you try formal deep breathing or meditation exercise. If you're religious, maybe you say a prayer, or you might just take a silent moment to be. Quiet is so rare in our world, especially in college, where we share everything. So even just taking 5 or 10 minutes to really get silent can be enough to give our brains a little reset and help keep that stress at manageable levels. Number 8, get sleep. Sleep is one of the most important things we can be doing for ourselves during a period of stress. It helps us focus, it keeps our immune system strong, and it helps us problem solve more effectively. To see if you are sleep deprived, I have a quick little test in this video right up here. Go check that out. Now, obviously, sleep can be really hard to get in college, so if you are sleep deprived, you are not alone. But if that is you, definitely check out this video up here for 10 strategies to try tonight to get better sleep and start getting yourself on the path to better stress management. Number 9, get home. So when those college pressures start closing in, sometimes it's healthy to get some physical space from campus. And a great way to do that is to plan a visit home. Now, when done right, this is not running away. This is supporting yourself by going to a place where you feel safe, secure, and can soak up some encouragement from those parents and family members rooting you on in your college journey. You'll be amazed at how that encouragement and support can carry you through some challenging weeks once you get back to campus. And don't forget, as I mentioned in number 1, hugs can be a wonderful stress reliever. So maybe humor the folks and give them a few extra squeezes, and you might even reap some stress-busting benefits too. Number 10, get help. Sometimes, no matter what you do, no matter how well you try to implement some of these stress-busting strategies into your routines, the stress can become too much. And it's important to recognize that and seek help before things get too overwhelming. Now, your campus should have free mental health services available to students. They can get you or point you to the resources that will help you make it through this without buckling under the pressure. Now, if you want even more help on building your stress-busting toolbox for college, I have a link in the description to a free little mini course and workbook to get you through college with mental health intact. And if you're just interested in learning more about stress and how it impacts your body and your brain in college, this video is for you. I'll see you over there.